your girl Youngboy, the last line Nito, top sound. We done did a few songs. She liked some, she didn't like some. I've been saying this in the last one. She's new, she a new fan. I mean, we can't tell her to like your music or not, but we gonna see if she like this. I don't know if she gonna like it. I like it personally. Y'all probably like it. To me, it's one of the best songs on the album.
It's called Top Sound.
Yeah, we finna get into that NBA Youngboy Top Sound. Let's get it. All right, y'all. Let's get into it.
This is Top Sound.
Top Sound.
Shit up, TNT.
You're kidding me.
Chris James, what the fuck?
I ain't sound. Rude boy, I ain't sound. In my tone, that ain't calm, it's too real. All that night, protect your life when in the field. Get hit with that steel. Gun sounds in my grandma's house, I hear them all night. Been a step by my line, gangsta, they be telling lies. I ain't sound, it's wrong, they town. I ain't sound, make the grown got around. My sound, no play with sound. My sound, kill sound. Shoot what it is, I'm on my mind, I got your son, banging son. Who left him dead up inside the neighborhood, that was I. Across that line, respect my mind, bitch, I'm gon' hit you with that ass. I'm a grimy motherfucker, tell them trade ain't my kind. Shit, look, we bang too, what it is you won't do. Oh, you won't try, man, I'm gon' stomp you. And then flex on you bitches like Big Dump do. I don't dance, I just buy, you gotta watch inside the party. She won't fuck, let me record. My music make her act retarded slime. I ain't sound, it's wrong, they talk. I ain't sound, make the grown got her own. I ain't sound, don't play with sound. I ain't sound, kill sound.
So hard. It's over? The song just started.
I know, I thought the same thing. I was just so short. I wish you would have had another one.
I actually really like that song, guys, but it was super
What you
short.
rated though? Yeah, I know. I thought he should have added another.
I was
verse or
just getting
something.
into it and Jay like
Real, but
starting to it, so.
Bah.
But I think I would give that like I think I would give that like a 8.5 out of 10.
8.5 out of 10.
Not
That's cool.
exactly 9, but not like all the way 8, like in the middle, like so. Yeah, I think I'll give it 8.5.
Y'all, she have spoken. 8.5 out of 10. That's cool. You feel me? That's cool. That's her opinion
What would you
again.
rate it?
10 out of 10 easily. What you mean?
Easily.
I like it because the beat just, you
Yeah, the
feel me?
beat
And the
is like
sample on there, the sample was just
sample.
crazy. Yeah, like the
Oh,
like it
yeah,
sound like
that
a
was-
Jamaican dude or somebody on there. Like
That sounds
y'all
like
tell me who.
Youngboy.
Sound like who?
That sounded like Youngboy.
That was not. I don't know if that was. It didn't sound like it to
Yes,
me. It
it
sounded
did.
like a Jamaican.
I saw that
He
part.
said my sound, but
Oh.
but that sound like a. Do that sound like YBTR or do it
That
sound like a
sounded
Jamaican?
Youngboy.
It sounded like a Jamaican to me. If y'all know, y'all tell me if that was Youngboy or
I
not.
think it
'Cause I don't
sounded
know.
like him.
It sounded. It did. I don't. When I first heard it, I thought of Jamaican instantly. Like it just sounded
Run it
like a
back.
Jamaican.
Run back that part.
We can run it back. Hey, we can run it back.
So I could.
We finna run this back real quick.
Yeah, you don't have to wait for the ad though.
No, I'm about to just go back.
Oh, okay. You
Still
wanna watch
gotta
the whole
add.
thing?
Still gotta add. We
We gonna watch the whole
can,
thing?
but I just want you to.
When the part come up, tell me.
It's about to start. It's like it's the sample. Y'all listen.
Chris James, what the fuck?
I ain't sound. Rude boy, I ain't sound.
That sound like a Jamaican.
I ain't sound.
Wait till the wait till after this first verse. Watch, when he-
Jungle sound. In my tone, that ain't calm, it's too real.
saying, I
All
don't
that
care.
night, protect your life when in the field. Get hit with that steel. Gun sounds in my grandma's house, I hear them all night. Been a step by my line, gangsta, they be telling lies. I ain't sound, it's wrong, they town. I ain't sound, make the grown
That
got
sound
her
like
own. My sound, don't play with sound. My sound, kill sound. Shoot what it is, I'm on my mind, I got your son, banging son. Who left him dead up inside the neighborhood, that was I. Across that line, respect
heard a lot of people say it did sound like him on that part did sound like him, but what I heard was a Jamaican. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all think.
I don't think Jamaican really sound like that.
What do a Jamaican sound like? So what do a Jamaican sound like? You tell me.
Like, I feel
Do
like
an
they got an
impersonation.
accent.
That wasn't an accent. Do an impersonation right now.
No, because I don't want to sound dumb.
Do it.
Okay, turn off the camera.
No, the video's still rolling.
Okay, can I tell you in your ear?
Yeah. What?
Don't.
Who they in there? What? Yo, what did you talking about? You said who they in
No,
there?
I didn't.
What? What is that? That's... I don't know what she talking about, y'all. But hey, that's the reaction, y'all. Let me know. Hey, do y'all like it or not? What other songs y'all want to hear? Y'all comment it.
Y'all
We
drop
gonna
down
come
some
with it.
songs y'all want me to react
Comment
to
it.
and give my
Come
rate.
with it. Comment it, and we gonna come with it. You heard me? Comment it. You know. Comment it. Drop a comment in the comments.
Comment section.
And we gonna come with it, y'all. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Y'all be safe out here. We out.
We out.